Another NX tool from HBB Engineering. Rename parts. Rename some assembly components. We are in an assembly with some sub-assemblies, and we want to rename 3 of the components. To do this, we select the components and start the NX tool rename parts. In the same order the components were selected, you can rename them. When you finish the program, the components has the new names in the Assembly Navigator, and in the Windows Explorer you will find the new parts, and the old versions has been deleted. Easy, fast, effectively.